Today's story comes from the UK, and it is a woman named Luann Kenton. Luann, as a young child, had myopia, and it was a degenerative eye disease that caused her to lose more and more vision over time. And things became progressively worse. And by the time she became an adult and pregnant with her first child, she had lost the vast majority of her vision and really became blind. And also, by the way, has some hearing impairment. And like so many that experience blindness, her independence was threatened, and she was upset and depressed, as any of us would be. And she discovered the joy of a trained guide dog, and suddenly she found her independence regained with the love and support of one of the most forgiving, loving animals on the planet, a dog. And there's nothing like a dog that's devoted to you. And she decided to participate in this charity event to raise funding for guide dogs for the blind. And this involved her skydiving, tandem skydiving. And as I'm absorbing this story, I'm trying to, I think of how terrified I was to go up in an air balloon. I wasn't jumping from it. I was just going up. The idea of experiencing the sensations of jumping out of an airplane. Oh, and then I think about, if I couldn't see and I couldn't hear well, to me, it would be a terrifying experience. Yet she was successful doing it, and my hat is off to you. And there's these events are going on all over the UK, and they're looking to raise in excess of 100,000 pounds. But bravo to her dog. And her dog, what is her dog's name? Is Ugo. UGO, Hugo, I guess. Ugo or Hugo. What a beautiful looking dog. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed today's positive story. Take care.